Hello and namaste. It's Jewel from Goddess Creative. I know I haven't been on. I haven't been on at all. And you think, what is she even doing? Well, you probably don't even think that. You probably don't even think of me at all. But anyway, the only reason I haven't been on is because I just purchased an old spa here in Bali, and I'm currently renovating it, and I'm like 2 weeks into it now, so there's a little fair bit of time to go. And I'm organising trades and things like that, and going out and buying paint at the hardware, and you name it, I'm doing it. It's pretty hands on, but I'm not actually renovating the project myself, but I have to organise trades to do that. And don't forget, it's Indonesia, so there's a big communication breakdown between English and the Bahasa. I've done this because I had to do it for my KETAs to stay in the country. It's part of my agreement to stay in my foreign investment company that I've purchased, and my KETAs to stay. You have to invest in the country, so that's what I've done. So yes, that's my project that I'm working on, and why you haven't heard from me. But oh my God, isn't it amazing? It's an amazing time. It's so exciting. I hope you're excited that the new president-elect, Donald Trump, he's in. He's a cryptocurrency loving president. He likes crypto and he's going to embrace it. And that is absolutely brilliant for us. And this was what the undeciding factor was. And this is what, even regarding my prices, prior to this happening, it threw a energetic limit ceiling because of the unknown of which way this was going to go. Now that we know that we've got this new president-elect coming in, and we've got all this amazing new energy, and mainstreams, mainstream is going to, has already jumped on it. I mean, Bitcoin's hit. If you were in my members area, I said Bitcoin would hit 88,000, and it has. I think it closed at 88,000 yesterday. I was getting really conservative prices for Bitcoin prior to this. I've just posted today. I should never put a timeline on exactly when things are happening because it's the hardest thing to do, but nevertheless, it's how I work. But nevertheless, I'm still getting prices. The prices come, so I'm just putting out the prices and not putting a timeline is perhaps better. So yeah, 88k was 88,800 actually, and I think we got around there. But it was really nice. So I was a little bit out because I was saying it wasn't going to hit until December, but now I get a new higher price coming in. I've just posted that in the YouTube members area for the members, and I've also just posted in there some memes that I think are going to do really well. Okay, so yeah, so what I've done is a few projects have been brought to my attention, and I've just looked at them price wise and looked at them what they're going to get in first quarter. First quarter is only a couple of months away, okay? First quarter of 2025, and then I've asked again for the whole year of 2025. Interesting is what I get is really high prices come first quarter. I get some sort of correction happening. This is what I'm seeming like correction happening in second quarter, okay? Perhaps not for all of them, but for a lot of them, I'm just getting them sideways or possibly going down a bit. And then we must take off again. This is what I'm getting, okay? So I'm just putting it out there for you. Yeah, but I really think that 2025 is going to be a great year. Look, everybody, this is what we've been waiting for. If you didn't realize, or you don't realize, or you new to this, or you've just come across my channel, this is what we've been waiting for. This is what I've been saying, right? I said early this year that cryptocurrency would take off come the end of 2024, and here we are at the end, and it's taken off, right? I know a lot of other people predicting as well. That's fine. It's not, um, I'm not saying I'm the only one that's right. Definitely not saying that. But yeah, this is just fantastic, right? This is exactly what we've needed, the support we needed. This is so, yeah, all these, the retail trade will come in, and all these massive companies will start buying up Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will be the rage for the next few months. Altcoins will follow, but we haven't even hit anything yet to what I believe what I'm getting in my prices that altcoins are going to get to. So I don't know. Good if you've got a bit of Bitcoin, hold on to it. It's a long-term hold. But if you want to make some quick gains in the year of 2025, I mean Bitcoin's a long-term hold for the next few years. Personally, myself, I hold some Bitcoin. I'm not selling it, not even next year. Might sell just a little bit, but really it's a long-term hold. There's going to be less and less Bitcoin available as we go through this run. There'll just be less available. The price will continue to go up. So I'm not selling Bitcoin, all right? But as for the other ones, if you want to have a bit of make some gains in the year of 2025, if I was you, I would look at some memes, okay? I'd look at memes and I'd look at AI. And I've discussed some of these in my members area, okay? Yeah, I just think that, what I'm getting from Spirit, price-wise, not just what I think, it's what I'm getting from Spirit, price-wise, that these projects will do really well. And I've just posted exactly what they are. I did another post the other day. The AI project that I looked at the other day that I said would do really well is AGI. AGI will do really well next year. And all the other ones, yeah. All the other ones that I've read, there's information on them. The prices still stand. I haven't done an update to the digital assets guide yet. I haven't had a chance, and I probably won't. So the prices you have in it are still current. You need to understand and give time for them to hit, and they will be hitting in the year of 2025 into 2026. So it's so exciting. This is what we've been waiting for. I mean, I've been waiting since 2017, personally, but only because the last run that I predicted in 2020 and 2021, I was just too preoccupied in 2021 that I didn't sell out enough. So I sold out of half, but not enough. This one we're really going to keep our eye on. And I also believe this one will be different in that we've never had this retail trade, and when we had attention on cryptocurrency market last run, but not like it is this time. This time it's going to be better in the respect there'll be more security. We've evolved more. There's newer projects like these memes. I'm not saying you should be in memes for a long time. I'm saying you should be in memes for a year. That's it, right? These are going to make fast money, is what I'm saying. So that's why my attention is on them at the moment, and I've talked about them in my the YouTube private members area. So this is such exciting time if you want to make shorter term gains on memes, okay? You can do that. And I just wish I had more time at the moment. I don't, to be doing my tarot readings. I really don't have more time. I don't have the time. Um, I'm hoping that to get this new spa business open come December. Once it's open, I can relax a bit. The reason being is because you're not allowed to work. I'm not allowed to work in it. I have to employ staff. That's part of the law, protecting the locals in Indonesia. So I can't actually work in it. I can only look at it from the outside and monitor from the outside. So I will have more time on my hands then, because I can't. I'm not allowed to be so hands-on, right? Because everything will be done. But yes, that's exciting for me. It'll be exciting time come December for the altcoins and digital assets in general. It's going to be so exciting. Yeah, I've also looked at Theta and Polkadot because I know they've been really disappointing assets. They used to be quite high. Many of you will be wondering if they'll reach their all-time highs again, and I get yes, they will. They will reach their all-time highs back in 2025-26, okay? So don't fear. And then I've talked about some other ones. I talked about Cardano because, gosh, it's doing so well, isn't it? And that is definitely a favoured one. So is Doge. Doge is a favoured one, especially, in the next few months while we're waiting for this new president-elect to be sworn in. Yeah, what did I get there? Yes. Continuing higher is what I get. Yeah, if you were wondering. So it's exciting. I hope you've positioned yourself well. If you didn't believe me that this run is coming and upon us, and virtually a tear that's upon us now, you haven't missed the boat, okay? If you're new, you haven't, or you haven't quite positioned yourself, or you thought you had more time, you've still got time, right? Because it's all eyes are really still on Bitcoin and just a few of the alts like Cardano and Doge. There's other ones that are yet to take off. So that I'm hoping I can help you with. Okay, well, I'm going to leave you there because I need to get back to work. I hope that you have found this helpful. There's my little sweetie. Yeah, and keep the faith. It's so exciting. I hope you're on this excitable ride with me. Yeah, I said it would happen and it's happening. Yes, it's so exciting. It's just such a exciting place to be right now at the beginning of a bull market. Such an exciting place to be. And yeah, get in it, get it happening, get on it, make it happen for yourself. Okay, keep the faith. Blessed be always. Namaste.